Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Bajaj Finserv app and logging in with your registered number. Make sure you use PIN or biometric for quick access. Once done, navigate straight to the insurance section and tap the exact policy you plan to cancel. You need the policy number, purchase date, and the payment method visible because the app will ask for them immediately. This speeds verification and prevents back and forth, so gather those details before you proceed to the Policy Details screen. Next, inside Policy Details, tap the Cancel or Request Cancellation button and read the on-screen notes. This explains fees and effective date options. You then choose a cancellation reason and your preferred refund method, whether as wallet credit, reversal to card, or bank transfer. Make sure the bank details match the original payment. Upload any required documents, photo or PDF, and complete verification via e-sign or OTP. This is the legal step that finalizes your request before submission. Finally, review the cancellation summary showing fees and net refund, then confirm and submit. You'll receive a reference ID, save it. You can track progress in the claims or requests area and expect refund timelines shown there. Payouts often take a few business days depending on your bank or payment method. If the status stalls or amounts look wrong, use the in-app chat or helpline and provide the reference ID. Troubleshooting tip: clear app cache, relogin, and retry or escalate with screenshots if the support agent asks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.